I'm going to share a presentation about the travel and tourism industry. The objectives of the presentation is to introduce the participants to various arms of the travel industry, the types of travel service providers, products and the sub-products of the travel industry, the world geography in which the entire travel industry functions, role of IATA and UFTA in the travel industries who are the governing bodies, IATA areas and the sub-areas, various concepts used in the air travel industry, concept of reservations and ticketing in the travel industry, understanding different types of fares, strategic alliances of the airlines. So the next slide comprises of various arms of the travel industry. First comes the airlines. Basically, it can be international airlines or domestic airlines. Then comes the hotels, right from say 5-star to 1-star category, or even the budget hotels. Then comes the travel agents and the tour operators, the online travel portals, the tourism boards, the cruise companies, which forms the water transportation, technology companies providing front-end and back-end support. That is, they provide a platform in which the travel industry functions, the technology, the car rental companies, again the ground transportations. In short, travel industry, the different modes of travel is air travel, ground travel, travel through water, and travel through rail. Now we come to the tourism part. Tourism is a vast industry, travel and tourism. There are segmented into different types of segment, tourism industry. It can be adventure tourism like water sports, hiking, skiing, hot air ballooning. The heritage tourism, which involves art and architecture, archaeology, even pilgrimage is a part of heritage tourism. The wildlife tourism, which is the wildlife sanctuaries. The wellness tourism is basically the yoga, like Rishikesh is one of the example of wellness tourism in India. The ecotourism, which involves a natural beauty like Kashmir, Switzerland. The medical tourism is like providing quality medical treatment at a reasonable cost to the tourist. Then the business tourism, like the trade fair events, conferences, meetings. The sports tourism, like the World Cup 2015 happening in Australia and New Zealand, and various kind of sports events like the Formula One racing. The entertainment tourism, like the Bollywood or various events happening, the awards, different kinds of awards happening around the world.